Hello students, in this video we will understand NCERT question 1.16, what do you mean by significant figures? Let's begin with the answer. Significant figures are meaningful digits in a measurement which are known with certainty plus one digit which is estimated or uncertain. The uncertain digit is always the last digit and it is slightly doubtful. Now let's understand this concept clearly. In any experimental measurement, there is always some uncertainty. This uncertainty arises due to limitations of the measuring instrument and the skill of the person taking the measurement. The certain digits show the precision of the measurement, while the last digit shows the uncertainty. So, more the number of significant figures, higher is the precision. Now let's understand with examples. First example, 2.34. All digits are non-zero, so it has three significant figures. Second example, 0.0052. Leading zeros are not significant. So only 5 and 2 are counted. Therefore, it has two significant figures. Third example, 100.1. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. So it has four significant figures. Fourth example, 0.0100. Trailing zeros after decimal are significant. So it has three significant figures. Fifth example, 500. Trailing zeros without a decimal point are not significant. So it has only one significant figure. Now let's understand the rules for determining significant figures. Rule 1. All non-zero digits are significant. Rule 2. Zeros preceding the first non-zero digit, that is leading zeros, are not significant. They only indicate the position of the decimal point. Rule 3. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, 2.005 has four significant figures. Rule 4. Zeros at the end of a number are significant only if a decimal point is present. Otherwise, they are not significant. For example, 0.200 has three significant figures. But 100 has only one significant figure, while 100.0 has four significant figures. Rule 5. Counting numbers like 2 balls or 20 eggs have infinite significant figures because they are exact numbers. Rule 6. In scientific notation, all digits in the coefficient are significant. For example, 4.01 into 10 power 2 has three significant figures. 8.256 into 10 power minus 3 has four significant figures. Learn. Significant figures are the meaningful digits in a measurement which are known with certainty plus one which is estimated or uncertain. Remember, significant figures tell us the precision or accuracy of a measurement.